Hi guys, I'm Dr. Ahmed. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed the channel yet, kindly do it now. And today we are here to discuss a question, very interesting question from the pool of Hard MH and DHA. Without wasting any time, let's start it now. So here is question number 36. Let's start reading with a smile. A 12-year-old child presented in emergency department with sudden severe testicular pain, started at night. He has no history of trauma. On examination, you found that testicles are positioned higher than normal position and they are tender to palpation. What is next best step in the management? Option A is admit and keep under observation. Option B is emergency exploration of scrotum. Option C is high dose antibiotics and painkillers. Option D is ultrasound of testicles. So this is a clear-cut scenario of, yes, this is testicular torsion, and in testicular torsion, you know, there is twisting of testicles around the spermatic cord. When this happens, there is cut off a blood supply to the testicles, and this causes severe pain and swelling, and that's why this is a medical emergency. Because if you do not correct this problem and the cutoff of blood supply will remain there, the patient may lose one of his testicles. So they want to test your knowledge and the management of this medical emergency. So keep in your mind, this is medical emergency testicular torsion. One more point of testicular torsion, sometimes there may be loss or absent cremasteric reflex in it. And one more point regarding cremasteric reflex is that it is root value is L1, L2. Okay, so let's go to the options. Admit and keep under observation. This is not we usually do in medical emergencies. Keeping him under observation will not solve the problem, it may worse. So option B, emergency exploration of scrotum, this is the correct option, because you have to do repositioning of testicles, and this procedure is called orchiopexy. Sometimes it's also called orchiodexy. Orchiopexy and orchiodexy. In exam, you may come across a question with the option other than this B option, emergency exploration of scrotum. There may be written orchiopexy or orchiodexy there. Usually the word orchiopexy is used. Orchiopexy is also, this procedure is also used in undescended testes as well. Okay, let's check the other option. Hope this is the best option. Option C is higher dose antibiotics and painkillers. This will again not solve the problem. This is a structural change, you have to do surgery. Option D, ultrasound of testicles. Ultrasound of testicles is again a correct option. This is a part of management plan. Rather, this is best diagnostic test for testicular torsion, but here the question is best management step. Okay, this is medical emergency, and if they are asking about best management step, this will be surgery. Okay, always concentrate on the last line, what is appropriately asked. Okay, here they have asked best step in management, so option B is correct, surgery or orchiopexy or emergency exploration of scrotum, whatever come across in exam, that will be the correct option. Ultrasound of testicles, you can write when they ask what is best diagnostic step. Okay, so today we learned about testicular torsion. Testicular torsion is twisting of spermatic twisting of testicles around spermatic cord, and it causes severe pain, absence of cremasteric reflex. There will be no history of trauma and fever. This is medical emergency, I am saying it again and again, and the correct step, best step of management will be surgery. Best diagnostic step will be ultrasound of testicles. I hope you will remember these details, and that's all for today.